is Kanish, and welcome to this new series of Python tutorial. I wouldn't waste anyone's time here and tell you what Python is or how it is useful. You probably know all of this. I'll get straight to the point and start off with today's video. So in this first tutorial, I'll show you how to install Python, how to set up an environment, and how to set up your IDE. Let me switch to my laptop straight away. Let us get straight into it, and we'll go to python.org. All the links that I'm using in my video will be available in the description box below. And we'll go to download, and when you hover above downloads, you'll see Python 3.9.7. Just install the latest version, click on it, and it will get installed. And open that file. Now you'll get two options, that is install now uses ideally, obviously you will use this, but then below you'll see two checkbox, that is install launcher for all users, alright, but you'd also want to add Python 3.9 to path. So what it does is, as I said in the starting of the video, I'll teach you how to set up an environment. So it helps in that. We'll also recheck ourselves. So click on install now. Yes. And it will start installing. Alright, so setup was successful. Now we'll close it. Now coming on to setting up the environment, if you had already ticked on add to path, it would already be there, and we'll check it by searching environment variable. As you can see, click on it, and you'll open a system properties windows will open, and you'll see environment variables at the bottom of this window. Click on it, and on path you'll see a user variable, the top, the path, and here you should see something related to Python. If you see that, you're good to go. If not, what you do is press Windows plus R, and in that type in %APPDATA percentage again, and hit enter. With this you should see your window explorer opening, and go to app data if roaming opens, and then click on local, programs, Python 39, and what you do is click on this path file and copy it. Then go to edit environment variable, click on new, and paste it here like this. So I already have it, so I'll delete it for now. And after doing so, open the scripts folder and do the same as you did for that. Click on new and paste. Here you can see the scripts folder. So now once that is done, you're good to go. Your environment is set. Click on OK, and let's close it. Now to test whether your environment is fully ready, open command prompt and type in Python. If you don't see any error, and directly see Python 3.9.7, you're good to go. And so this is how you set up your environment. Your Python environment is set up, your Python is installed. Now the last thing to do is install IDE. So we'll go for PyCharm and go to the JetBrains website of PyCharm and click on download. Here you will see a community download. Click on that. Now we could have downloaded VS Code, as VS Code has all the extensions for all languages. But then I didn't do so because it is pretty hard to set it up, and I'll leave it for another video. We'll surely have a video to set up our VS Code IDE. But for now, PyCharm is the best and the most basic IDE that you can have. So we'll wait for it to install. Alright, after it's installed, let's open our downloads folder and run this file. Yes. Next. Destination. It has C drive as default, and I wanted to save it in my D drive since I have a lot of space in that. And we'll create a desktop shortcut, update it here, create a session, and leave everything as default. Install. Let's wait for it to install. Alright, once that's done, we'll run PyCharm and finish. You shall see it opening here, and do not import settings. Now this window will open, and this window only opens for the first time. What you do from here is go to your desktop, and like such, I've created Python tutorials. Create a new folder with whatever name you want. Go to PyCharm and click on new project and go to this folder. And go to desktop and whatever folder that is situated, and click on OK. Now our base interpreter is Python 3.9, and leave everything as default. Click on create from existing source, and close these steps. So now it has opened Python tutorials file. What you do next is click on it, click on file, click on new Python file, and name it as let's say a Raniac Python file. Alright, so this file would be created, and what you do next is click on add configuration. Alright, so add new run configuration, click on Python, leave everything as it is, and click on apply. Okay, now let us print a simple string, hello world, and right click on the script and run Raniac. Here we go. We can see in the console that our program has given us a string as an output, and this means that we have successfully set up our IDE. Let me print one more string. Print as many strings as you want now, and click on run. Here we go. Alright, so in this video, you have learned how to install Python, set up environment, and also set up your IDE. So this is all for the first video, and in the next video we'll go more into what these commands are and what are more of the commands that you can use. So I've created a whole tutorial plan on what I want to pick up on every video. So first video was just about installing Python IDE environment. That summarizes the whole video today. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to stay ahead when the next part of the series is posted. Share this video with all your friends and family. Spam them, force them to whatever you can to get them to learn Python too. Do like and stay awaited for the next part. Till then, it's Kanish Sharma signing off.